Hey guys, this is Mercedes. I spun the wheel and this is kind of what I landed on. Question number 42. It is which expression results in an irrational number? Let me see if I can move this over a little bit so we can see everything. All right, so if you know what perfect squares are and non-perfect squares, then you can basically go straight to this. But a lot of students struggle with this. So in the multiple choice section especially, if you're looking for a rational number, you're basically looking for a number that has a non-repeating pattern of decimals that go on forever. So we're just going to use a calculator and we're just going to go through square root of 3 times, oops, got to get away from under there, times the square root of 3 and press enter, and that's an integer, so we know it's not number 1. We can cross that off, and then we're just going to do a negative, control delete. We need a negative 2/3, 2/3 plus 1/4 1/4, and then you press enter and you get a fraction. The fraction is the essence of a rational number. It's the ratio of two integers. And then we're going to do the next one, 5 times the square root of 81. If you know that 81 is a perfect square, then you know this is going to be rational. It's just 45. And then we've got that last one. So we're going to do a fraction, 1/3 plus the square root of 3. So we just type this in, and you're looking for the one that has a bunch of decimals that don't have a repeating pattern, and it's number 4. So that would be our answer. We eliminated these other ones, so that's it. So for these, that's all you have to do. If it's in the multiple choice section and they're asking whether it's rational or irrational, just go ahead and calculate it and see what it looks like. The only thing that you have to be careful of is if you change the settings for fixed 2 or fixed 1 for rounding, you got to make sure you change it back to float, because you want to see all of these decimals. You don't want it to stop at 2 or 3 and make you think that it's rational, okay? Make sure your setting is set before you answer a question like this. All right, so that's it. I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.